The other day we had discussed about Darlington pair of transistors which will have high amplification. Now it is a little more than that. This is a Darlington triplet. 3 transistors, so that the amplification will be very high. Suppose the HFE, that is the gain of one transistor, is 200, then the combination of 2 in a Darlington pair will have a gain of the product 200 into 200. Now we have 3, so that the gain will be 200 into 200 into 200. So it's a very high gain combination. When you just test the base, this is corresponding to the base of the first transistor. Whatever static electricity you have on your hand, I am bringing some static electricity, it will get amplified. You can see that there is a series of resistors here. Actually, I needed 1 mega ohm resistor to be connected to the collector of this first BC547 transistor. All these are NPN transistors. But then I did not have that. I had 4 220k resistors and 100k resistor. All these I have connected in series, and I have got a total resistance of 960. So I am also illustrating the connection of resistors in series in a circuit when you don't have the exact value. The collector of the second transistor is connected through a 100 kilo ohm resistor, and the third one is connected using a 220 ohm resistor to the light emitting diode. I have kept a red LED here. You have seen that blinking when I touch the so-called antenna or the base connection of the first transistor in the Darlington triplet. Darlington triplet is such a way that the emitter of the first transistor is connected to the base of the second, and emitter of the second is connected to the base of the third one. That is how it acts as a very high gain amplifier. When you use it for regular audio amplification or such purposes, the transistors should be in such a way that the first one should be low power, second little more higher power, and third one the power output should be having higher power rating. But now, as I am using only a very low signal, just the static electricity pickup from the base of the transistor, very little current is going to flow. So for this demo circuit, only same type of transistor can be used. And Darlington triplet can be used only in such circuits, because the stability on using it for a regular audio amplifier will not be great. So Darlington triplet is not as popular as usual Darlington pair for audio amplification. Only for such low power situations you can use a Darlington triplet. As you can see here, this works on a 9-volt battery. Once the static electricity in your finger is discharged, then this will not work. Then you have to rub somewhere, produce static electricity, and then it will work again.